what's up YouTube? My Dynaco ST70 had an issue. It had a high-pitched noise on the right channel, and I got it checked and found out that one of the 7199 tubes had an issue. So I have to repair, I have to replace the pair with another set of 7199 tubes. Yeah, here is my Dynaco ST70. It's a classic tube amplifier from Dynaco, one of their famous model, and I had an issue on its 7199 tubes. The original tubes that is installed is a Sovtek pair, but one of the tube had an issue, so I have to replace both, so it will have a balanced sound and characteristic. So I had the Sylvania pair and replaced the 7199, and this would sing again. So again, this is already working. I have to test it again, but so far on my initial test, the new pair of Sylvania 7199 tubes fixed the issue. So that would be all. Thank you.